Okay, very good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 9, percentage and its applications from book CPA page number 130. Okay, so now today we will discuss exercise 9.3. Okay, so first of all, what is increase percentage? Increase percentage, okay बच्चे, and decrease percentage. So first of all, increase percentage, we have some formulas. Okay, increase equal to increased value minus original value. Okay बच्चे, increase equal to increased value minus original value. Second one is percentage increase. Percentage increase. Then this formula is increase over original value. Multiply 100%. Okay बच्चे, this is the formula of increase percentage. Increase equal to increased value minus original value. Then percentage increase equal to increase upon original value multiply 100%. So common question number 1, part A. We have original value. We have original value O. V means original value. Okay, short form is 25. Okay, increased value. We have increased value, which is 28, and increased no value. Okay, and in percentage increase, no value. Okay, so first of all we have the original value, increased value. So what is the formula of increase? First of all, increase equal to increased value minus original value. Okay, we have original value, we have increased value, then we can find increase. We can find increase. Okay, so what is the formula of increase? Increased value. Okay, increased value is minus original value. Okay बच्चे, so increased value is 28 rupees minus original value is 25 rupees. It means we have increases 3 rupees. So now percentage increase. Percentage increase in short form. Okay, we can increase upon original value. Increase upon original value multiply 100%. So put the values. Increase is only increase, not increased. Increase 3. Okay, original value 25 multiply 100%. So cancel out 25 1 4. So is 12%. Okay, so percentage increases 12%. Understood बच्चे? Okay, then we can do next sum. Suppose we have B part. Original value is, actually these are the short forms. We can write. Okay, otherwise you will write full. 16 as increased value is no value. Now increase, just increase is 4s. Both things are same as, is also s. And percentage increase missing. Actually in this question we have two missing numbers. First is increased value, second one is percentage increase. So first of all, what is the formula of increase? Increase equal to increased value minus original value. So now we have increased value, no increased value, minus original value, we have 16s, and increase, we have also increased is 4s. Okay, so now this term is minus, then we will come in the left side, then sign will be changed. ओके बच्चे, जब हम दूसरी साइड लेके जाते हैं किसी चीज को तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव ओनली increased value is 4s plus 16s, then we have 20s. Okay बच्चे, so now percentage increase, formula of percentage increase upon original value multiply 100 percentage. Okay, so now increase, what is increase? The value of increase is 4s, upon, it just like a 5 then s. Okay, original value is 16s multiply 100 percentage. 414, 4 16, 414, 25 400. So answer is 25 percentage. Okay बच्चे, so this is the questions of exercise 9.3, question number 1. Okay, we have two values, then we will find two other values, the formula. According to this formula, percentage increase. Increase means increased value. Increase and increased values are different. Okay, minus original value. Then percentage in this formula is equal to increase, not increased value, just increase upon original value multiply 100 percentage. Okay, so I hope you have understood the first questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.